I had this idea to put something up on the wall, and what better way to decorate the room than throw up one of my aerial photos, just a drone photo. So we're gonna go out and shoot a photo with you guys and then take that photo, bring it back here, try to call a couple different places and get it printed. I've got about 4 feet of space that I wanna fill on the wall. So let's go check out the wall and see what we're working with here. I've got a little bit of room on this wall right here. This is where I film a lot. This is where I take Zoom meetings with you guys. I put the camera up, you can't see it right now, it's not set up. I put the camera up above the monitor, but I need something in the background now that the walls are bare. I'm thinking Crystal Cove Beach. This beach is really, really nice. A panorama on this side looking from the ocean in would be really, really cool. Let's go take a look and see what we can come up with.
We're not taking the top off because it is absolutely perfect out today. It's spicy out today.
On the steps.
On our way down. Counted before, there's like 300 something steps.
So the next goal right now is really to just get the shot. We're gonna frame it up, take the drone off from right here. There's plenty of open room.
That's the one.
That's the one. Well, that's it. All right, great success. We'll see you at the office.
So let's jump right into Lightroom here. Basically what we're gonna do, if you look at the left right here, I have a preset section. And these are just a bunch of different presets that are gonna add a filter to my photo. So I'm gonna use this one that I've created. Now we're gonna go over to the right side here, and under basic, I'm just gonna lower the exposure first to make it a bit darker. So that's a great start already. And I'm gonna go to saturation, and I'm gonna look for the blues and the aquas, and I'm gonna bring those down a bit as well. I'm gonna make a few more adjustments, and I'll show you the final image once I finish it up. Awesome, so this is the final image. You can see the befores right there, and that's the after. So I'm gonna export out this photo now, and we're gonna look for a shop that can print out this awesome canvas for us.
Hunter just sent me the photo. I've got it up on the screen right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and order the canvas on Canvas World. We're just gonna do a medium-sized one to get started because we're gonna do this a lot more. So as we take more photos and as we go through this process, we'll get a little bit better at it. So we're gonna do 30 by 16, it says upload the photo. I've dragged this photo right into here, and then you go to checkout. It's really easy to order these. We're gonna get this one ordered, and I'm really excited to see how this photo turns out. It's gonna be on the wall right there.
Several days later.
All right, I think the canvas is here. We just got a knock at the door, and it said it was gonna be delivered today. Check it out.
Dun, 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 dun.
I can't wait to see how this looks. I'm really excited. Look at that. That is awesome. There's our shot right there. So you guys, you saw it from start to finish. We went out, we had a great time filming. It was the 180 pano. We got it printed through Canvas World, and it just showed up. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure to click the subscribe button. I can't wait to get this thing on the wall. We'll see ya in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about unlocking your drone's full potential and becoming a confident drone pilot, then be sure to check out our course 14-Day Drone Pilot Pro. It's a speed learning program for beginners teaching aerial photography and video editing, and our students are absolutely loving it. I'll link it in the description below. Make sure to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.